Hello and welcome to the Writing Nook here at Fruitiful Soul. Today we write a sonnet, 14 lines, measured turns, feeling held by form. So grab that journal and a pencil or pen and let's begin. Open your journal to a blank page. To set up the form, we'll number the page to hold 3 quatrains and a couplet. Down the left side of your page, number your lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip a space. 5, 6, 7, 8, skip a space. 9, 10, 11, 12, skip a space. 13 and 14. Now, along the right-hand margin, directly across from the line numbers, label the rhyme scheme, moving down the page. A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, G. This gives you both the shape and the sound of the poem before you begin. Each line of a Shakespearean sonnet moves in iambic pentameter, 10 syllables, a steady rise and fall. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. Close to the rhythm of a natural speech, or the sound of the heart. If it helps, you can mark small spaces for each syllable as you write. Let the beat guide your hand. The form has rules, 14 lines, a specific rhyme scheme, and iambic pentameter. But the way that you work inside the form, that's flexible. If a line falls short, add a small bridge word, the, so, and, or that, and let the breath complete the measure. If you're searching for a rhyme, shift the sentence. Let the idea arrive from another angle. Choose end words that give you room, words that are easy to rhyme. Day, light, time, heart. Then keep going. If you're unsure how to start, begin plainly. Name the feeling, the question, or the moment you want to explore. You can shape the language as the poem takes form. Shakespeare opens one of his sonnets with a simple question. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? The music flows from there. Now we write. Feel free to pause the video as you work through this. Take all the time you need. Quatrain 1, lines 1 through 4. Introduce your subject. Set the ground beneath your poem. Quatrain 2, lines 5 through 8. Deepen the thought. Add image, contrast, or tension. Quatrain 3, lines 9 through 12. Shift the idea or raise the tension, setting up what the couplet will resolve. The couplet, lines 13 and 14. Answer what came before, letting the meaning speak. Now that the whole poem is on the page, read it aloud. Listen for the beat. Let the rhythm guide your edits. Adjust for flow, not perfection. When it feels settled, give your sonnet a title that fits its tone. When you type it later, you won't keep the line numbers or rhyme letters. Those were only guides for the first shaping. Ask yourself, does your work follow the true sonnet form? 14 lines, a steady rhyme scheme, and iambic pentameter? Is the turn clear? And does the couplet answer what came before? If yes, you did it. You wrote a Shakespearean sonnet. Good work. Hey, just to let you know, I've linked a writing guide and an example poem in the description if you'd like more. And there's a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you dropped by. Tune in again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more. And until then, stay charmed.